Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the solved problem in the resonant circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Resonant circuit solved problem 1. First we will see the statement of the problem. A series RLC circuit with R equal to 10 ohm and L equal to 1 millihenry and C equal to 1000 picofarad is connected across a sinusoidal source of 20 voltage with variable frequency. So RLC is connected in series across the sinusoidal source of 20 voltage. The question is, compute the resonant frequency of the circuit. Find the Q factor of the circuit at resonant frequency. Determine the half power frequencies. These three topics we need to identify. So the given data, R equal to 10 ohm, L equal to 1 millihenry, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 henry, C equal to 1000 picofarad, that is 1000 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 12 farad, and the voltage is 20 voltage. Now we'll identify the topics one by one. First one is the resonant frequency. First we need to find the resonant frequency. So the formula for resonant frequency, F naught equal to 1 divided by 2 pi square root of LC. Now substitute the value 1 divided by 2 into pi into square root of L is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. C is 1000 into 10 to the power minus 12. So while simplifying we got this 1,59,155 Hz. So this is a resonant frequency. And we'll go to the Q factor, quality factor. The formula is 1 by R into square root of L by C. So that is equal to R value is 10, L is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, C is 10 to the power minus 1000 into 10 to the power minus 12. So while simplifying we got 100. So the quality factor is 100. Now we'll find the half power frequency, F1 and F2. Two half power frequencies we'll find one by one. F1 equal to F naught minus R divided by 4 pi into L. So that is equal to 1,59,155. So this is the F naught value minus R value is 10 divided by 4 into pi into 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this value is 1,58,359 Hz. F1, lower half hour frequency F1 value identified. Now we'll see the upper half hour frequency F2 equal to F naught plus R divided by 4 pi L. Here F naught minus, here F naught plus. So 1,59,155 plus R value is 10 divided by 4 into pi into L value is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here 1,59,951 Hz. So now we got the value of F2 also, the upper half power frequency. So in this we discussed the solved problem in resonant circuit. We calculated the resonant frequency, quality factor, half power frequency, upper half power frequency and lower half power frequency. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.